Now, all of you out in Birdie Land know how much I love my wine. So picture this. It's Thanksgiving at Birdie's house. Everyone has been tasked to bring one small food and wine pairing. No other instructions were given. It was so freaking amazing. I will share more as time goes on, but I'm going to start with my own pairing. We had lined up the wines starting from the lightest to the most robust red and port. I decided to take a slightly less traditional approach. When it was my turn, I presented a bold Cabernet Sauvignon and a bowl of Doritos. Yep. Me, being a culinary rebel, I guess, had to push the limits. After the laughter died down, magic happened. That cheesy, finger staining Dorito dust coats your mouth like a velvet robe, and damn, the boldness of the cab cuts through like a knight saving the day. So, moral of the story, don't let tradition box you in. Sometimes the best pairings come in crinkly bags and leave orange fingerprints. Huzzah to breaking the rules and laughter.